be patient and learn as much as you can. You know, it's not easy. Uh, Most days aren't easy, but it's challenging. It's rewarding, and you learn every single day. Be open to learn from anyone, anywhere, even as you become, a seasoned technician. I've learned things from technicians that have only been in the field from 6 months. Everybody kind of thinks of something or knows something sometimes, and sharing that knowledge across the industry with everyone and being, patient, supportive, and things like that just goes a long way. So yeah, be patient and learn as much as you can. Kind of have this running joke that I, tell a lot of people that I know. Partstown is always hiring. They're always growing. So we're looking for candidates that kind of have that experience. Knowing what some parts are. Knowing how those parts work. That can go a long way